Hello guys. So today I'm gonna taste the gift from my nang nang, and she is in Cavite, but that's almost in SM Molina. But we're almost to SM Center, and they have a new toy. Wait guys, I'm gonna get my scissors again. My scissors. I have my best friend here, Buzz Lightyear here. Say hello. Hello, my name is Buzz Lightyear, and I'm 25 years old. Okay, that's enough. Okay, I'm gonna get my scissors.